Alrighty. Tell us a little bit about Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill actually came from my buddy Travis. He texted me one day. He texted me. He's like, "Hey, you need to write a song about a stripper being a bad tipper because it's a funny line." And I was like, "Yeah, that's kind of funny. Ha ha ha."
Yeah.
And for about the next 3 or 4 days, I couldn't actually get it out of my head. And so I sat down, and this is actually one of our songs that came together the quickest for me. And I sat down, and it probably took me about a week or so to get it down. And another funny story about this real quick is it's on our last CD that came out in February. My mom listened to it, and she texted me, and she's like, "I don't know if you know this, but that song Jack and Jill is about a serial killer." I was like, "Yeah, Mom, I kind of know that. I kind of wrote it."
I wrote that.
And she goes, "You come from a dark place sometimes." So here's a song about killing a stripper. This is Jack and Jill.
All right. Why dating is so hard.
Why dating is so hard and why relationships suck, man. Here we go. And the Eagles and lounge, dancing for the regular Friday night crowd. Ain't in the best dream of the hood, but she puts up with it cause the money's good. After work she goes to East Side Joe's, trying to afford her all the trouble goes. Think after years of being a stripper, she'd have the courtesy to be a better tipper, yeah. Every Friday night sitting away in the back, nursing his beer since a man named Jack. Watches her dance and thinks to himself, she'd be his leaving someone else. Follows him down to Bill's Bar and Grill, trying to find that extra thrill. It was the night that Jack met Jill, it's also the night that Jill got killed. Ain't saying that my mama was right, nothing good ever happens after midnight. Always seems in the worst part of town, when the crime goes up, the population goes down. Ain't saying that my mama was right, nothing good ever happens after midnight. If you're looking for that extra thrill, just remember the story of Jack and Jill. Yeah. Couple weeks later, her shift's been filled. No one told the new girl that the last one got killed. She dances all night to her favorite songs. Seems a little shy, but that won't last long. She walks around the room, giving each guy a glance, asking if they'd like a private dance. Finally makes her way to the back, flashes him a smile and says hi to Jack. Well, ain't saying that my mama was right, and nothing good ever happens after midnight. Only seems in the worst part of town, when the crime goes up, the population goes down. There to be a lesson to all of you who like to stay out till the 1:45. If you're looking for that extra thrill, just remember the story of Jack and Jill. Yeah!